Walmart does it again. I have even more affordable fall fashion finds for you in this video, and in this Walmart haul, I actually went out of my comfort zone a little bit. I have some more bright colored pieces and some things I normally would not pick out, so I'm really excited for today's video. As always, everything's linked down below in that description box, and I have everything linked right here on YouTube Shop. Without further ado, we have a lot to dive into today, so let's get started. Okay, this first top, I immediately took off the tag because I think this is high fashion, it's chic, and it is giving me everything that I want to give. It's basically like a scoop neck sort of blazer top. The fabric on this is very stretchy, like you can see how stretchy it is. And this one does have shoulder pads, so it has a more structured kind of fit at the top. And I love how it is a beautiful scoop neck. So it does show a little bit more neck, which I think makes this so flattering. And I love how there is no issues with the buttons opening up on this style. So because it's very stretchy, it's just gonna fit you perfectly on. I also like how this top doesn't look like a Walmart top at all. It's giving high end. It reminds me of like a high-end designer. So if you want that like beautiful look for less, this is it. And it's so affordable. It also comes in a green color, but I think the black is classic. You could do it with a jean, or I paired it with a pair of like work pants. So really versatile. It's dressy, it's gorgeous, and it has a thicker weight to it. So it's kind of like a jacket, but it's meant to be worn alone. Stretchy, it's cute, size large. This one I think is going to sell out really quick. Now another blazer top very similar to one I just shared with you is this green one, and this one we have some dramatic shoulders going on. I like how this one really balloons at those shoulders, so it has a really unique silhouette. This one's also available in black. I went with the green on this one just to try it out, and I like how this one is again kind of like pushing the boundaries of a high fashion find, especially at Walmart. So I like how this one looks like a designer piece. It looks so expensive, and you won't believe this one's under $50. So I love how this one fits. It has that high-end kind of fashion week vibe to it. So if you want something a bit more edgy and cool, I highly recommend this one. It does fit true to size, and it's that nice like scuba fabric. So it's very stretchy, easy to maintain and iron. It didn't come really wrinkly at all. So a beautiful kind of sharp silhouette, and I think it looks stunning on. Now for my casual girlies out there who don't want a super structured jacket, I'm obsessing over this time and true kind of crew neck sweatshirt. Now the fabric on this is very lightweight. So when I say sweatshirt, don't think of a super heavy sweatshirt. It's very lightweight, so it's perfect to wear right now into that fall season when it gets a bit chilly out. And the interior of this kind of has like a fleece lining, but not necessarily. It's a more lighter weight sweater find. It also is a relaxed fit. Even though I got a size large, I think it fits perfectly on. This is a great top just to wear with jeans and a jacket over it if you want to, or you could wear it alone. You could also wear this as like a warm-up workout sweatshirt. I love doing that, especially when it's like colder outside in the morning. I always have like a sweatshirt on and then take it off when I get warm on my walks. So I like how this one's so versatile. And you guys, you know how much I love this color. It's like that heathered brown, and this one kind of reminds me of that quince brown that I'm obsessing over. It's a beautiful deep dark brown color. It looks high-end, sophisticated, and I can't believe this from Walmart. You won't believe the price on this, and I think it just looks really cute. It comes in other colors, but this brown, as soon as I saw that brown, I had to have it, and I can't stop buying brown. So speaking of color, I have this super fun winter jacket for you. I know we're like just getting into fall, but if you want this sort of fun silhouette, I think now's the time to get it because this one has been selling really quickly. This is from Free Assembly, and it's this beautiful checkered hot pink winter coat. I got it in a size large. It does fit a bit oversized. I probably could have gone down to a medium for a more like tight fit, but I love this kind of pattern on it. It's such a fun pop of color, especially when the weather gets a bit darker out. You kind of want to bring in the joy with a fun color pop. I feel like this is such a great conversation starter. Everyone's going to be asking where your coat is from. They also have two other colors as well. They have like a blue one and a gray solid. And this jacket's also made with 18% wool, so there is a bit of that natural fiber in there, which I always appreciate, but a fun pop of color. Let me know if you guys love color down below, because I always show lots of neutrals, and for me, I think this is so fun just to bring a spark of joy in those winter months when it is gloomy outside. So this one, love the color, so fun, sophisticated. Next, we have the striped sweater that I'm wearing. I love a half zip sweatshirt. I just think it's so flattering on for some reason, and I love a stripe. So this one is a beautiful navy white stripe, and I like how the stripes have a different variation on it, and it's a very lighter weight fabric. Now this is actually not cotton, which I'm surprised by. Usually Walmart does everything in like full cotton. I do have more sweaters next that are actual cotton, but this is a polyester fabric, and despite it being polyester, I actually like how this kind of fits on. So it has a nice kind of relaxed feel to it. It flows nicely, but it is a poly fabric. So just keep that one in mind. It runs true to size, comes in other colors, and I believe solids too. So if you are into the solids, this one's a great buy for a really good price. Now, if you love cotton like I do, I have some 100% cotton sweaters that I absolutely adore. Now, you really cannot beat the price point on these Walmart cotton sweaters. I love how they use the full natural materials. So this first one, I have a navy mock neck sweater, and this one's a bit cropped, so it's gonna fit you right where your high-waisted bottoms start, which I always like because sometimes when a sweater is too long, I feel like I have to tuck it in for some reason. So I like how this one just fits perfectly on your high-waisted bottoms, and this navy color is such a classic. I paired this with a white bottom, and then I also paired it with these Walmart jeans that I'll be talking about in a second. So if you like doing monochromatic looks, you could just pair this navy sweater with like a darker jean. It's gonna have a similar color story, which if you wanna make yourself look taller, I always love recommending a monochrome look just because your eyes are visually just gonna see like one full outfit. So I love a navy for that reason. And a mock neck, I always think is just so sophisticated. You could put your hair up in a ponytail, and if you like wearing V-neck coats, you can always see your sweater underneath it, so you can see it through even in the winter months. Now this next cotton sweater I'm actually loving, and it's so surprising because we have a whole bunch of color here. So this is 100% cotton. It actually reminds me of the J. Crew roll neck sweaters because there is a nice roll neck on this style, and I got it in these fun stripes. It's pink, brown, and blue. They also have this in another color combination, but I thought this one was just really fun and happy, especially for those gloomy winter days. This one is so fun. And also, I think this would be really cute with a brown jean as well, or even blue, any kind of bottom. This would be adorable. And because it's like that cotton fabric, you can easily wear this over your shoulders. If you want to do a fun kind of pop of color, fits a little bit kind of more fitted. This is a size large, so it's not super oversized, so it has a more kind of straight fit to it. Okay, and next up, an item that I'm absolutely loving are these cargo pants. Now I got them in this beautiful burgundy color, which if you saw my last Walmart video, I'll leave it linked right here if you haven't seen it. I did feature this crew neck sweatshirt in that one, and this is like the perfect matching set. So here I have the crew neck and the matching bottoms together in a full set. I think these were sold out when I did that original order, but firstly, this crew neck sweater, I will also leave it linked down below. This crew neck sweater is so good. I've been wearing this actually so much, especially on my morning walks. I usually put this one on, then when I get warmed up, I tie it around my waist. But I like how this one has like Spanx Air Essentials look for less kind of vibe, and this color is gorgeous. I love this like deep plum burgundy, and then with the matching bottoms, these are a cargo style with the side pocket. Such a cute set. This would be so cute for a travel set, a lounging around at home set, or if you want to run your errands casually, pop this one on, get yourself a little coffee latte, and you're gonna be ready for the best day ever in this set. I just think it just starts off your day so well because it's so comfortable. It looks chic, and it has like Spanx look for less on it. And I'm kind of loving the cargo pockets on the side. Not sure what you're gonna put in those pockets, you know, maybe a pack of gum. I think the cargo style is like kind of a cool, relaxed feel, and surprisingly, the length on the bottoms were actually nice. I got these in a size large, and the top in a size large fits both true to size, and I think it's a really cute look. When it comes to building your fall wardrobe, never forget about those classic pieces, because these are the ones that are gonna pull your wardrobe together. So I picked up this gray short sleeve sweater shirt, and it's very lightweight and soft. I also like how this one has a ton of stretch, but again, it's very thin, so it's great for when the weather is just getting a bit cooler out. You can layer this underneath things, and it's a classic silhouette. Runs true to size. I got this one in a size large, and I just love how soft and cozy this one is. This looks great with any jean in your wardrobe. You could also wear this with trousers, and this is a great workwear top as well. You could also layer this underneath blazers and things, so a very versatile piece to have in your wardrobe. And again, it is literally so soft and so affordable. Another one that I mentioned in my last video, but it's a very similar silhouette, is this black mock neck shirt. Now this one has full rib on it, whereas this one is a plain kind of fabric. So this one is very stretchy, has that short sleeve, and this one is a bit more fitted, and this one is still in stock, so I'm still gonna link it down below. This is a great layering piece as well, and I think it just has that perfect fit, and I've been getting a lot of wear out of this already, even though I just got it. So highly recommend this one. I think it looks fantastic alone and with blazers, jackets, everything. It also does fit true to size. Never underestimate some Walmart denim. If you see your size available in a style that you think you would like, just order it, because I think the denim actually fits really nicely. It's very flattering, and they have so many new styles. I picked up their relaxed slung jean, which these have an actual tie at the front. So these run a little bit kind of lower waisted, and they have a true wide leg feel on them. The color on this one is like extra dark, which I love this dark wash. I think it looks sophisticated and fun, but that tie in the front makes these a little bit more casual. So if you're looking for a relaxing kind of weekend jean, these are great. And if you don't like wearing jeans because they feel like rigid or uncomfortable, these really are lightweight and flowy, so they don't feel like you're wearing a heavy jean. They're comfortable to sit in all day long. Like I would wear these on the airplane. They're not too heavy at all, and they look good with any kind of top. I got the jeans in a size 14. I probably could have gone down to a 12. I'm in between a 12, 14. So a 12 would have been just a bit more tight fitting, but overall they fit fantastic. A true wide leg jean. Next, we have this black sweater dress, which I think is so flattering on. When I put this on and styled it casually with a flat and then I put on a heel, I feel like this dress is just so versatile. It's one of those pieces in your wardrobe that you can just rely on when you have nothing else to wear. You can easily pop on this dress. It has a mock neck, which I think is always sophisticated. The fabric is really soft on that medium weight, and it has a ton of stretch. So I think it's gonna fit your body perfectly. There is a little bit of a slit on the side of this one, so I appreciate that. I always like to show a little bit of leg, and I think this one just has a very flattering, sophisticated fit. And I did style that jacket over it, so you can see how it looks good with all kinds of jackets. It's a really great layering piece for the fall season, and I thought it just looked really fabulous on. I always love a good fall dress. Again, you can just pop it on and head out the door. So this first one is this adorable checkered print dress with the tie front details. I also love the ruffle hem on the sleeve and the bottom. And while I am 5'10", this one is a little bit on that shorter end, but I don't think it was like too short where I felt uncomfortable. Obviously I would wear like shorts underneath it, but I loved the length of it. I thought it was a really cute kind of feminine touch dress, and you're not gonna believe the price on this one. This is from the Time and True brand from Walmart, and the Time and True, you can find some really great hidden gems from them, and the price point is really fabulous. So great price point. This one kind of reminds me of a Madewell print. It has that kind of classic vibe going on, and I got this in a size large, fits true to size, perfect casual fall dress, which would also look cute with some to the knee boots, just saying. So you could wear this with flats, to the knee boots, and then of course coats when it gets a bit chilly out. I have another leopard print dress for you. I always love finding leopard print dresses for some reason, and this one is $23, so a fantastic price. And this one has the sheer sleeves, which is so soft and feminine, and the sleeves actually have these like ties on them, which I thought was really cute. You can't really tell when you wear it, but they do have the ties. This one, again, it's that mini dress style, so on me it is a little bit on the shorter end, but nothing too short where I feel uncomfortable. And you could style this with boots, flats, or heels for a dressed up evening. It has a fun print to it, and it does run true to size. Now, another Time and True dress is this beautiful floral option. This one has a bubble sleeve a little bit, but the fabric is nice and soft, so it's a really flowy dress style on, and the bottom skirt has those tiers, so this one is just extra flowy and gorgeous. Now, I thought this could be dressed up as a wedding guest dress, or if you're going to an occasion where you don't need something like super dressy, I thought this would be a really pretty option, especially for that price point. I feel like you can really accessorize this in a more dressed up way if you wanted to, or you can make this one a more casual dress option. This style does come in other colors as well. I thought this blue print was just really pretty and unique because I haven't seen any patterns like this yet from Walmart, so I thought this one was something a bit different, and it does fit true to size. These are real front buttons, so you can leave it buttoned up. I like to leave mine a little bit lower buttoned. So overall, a really affordable, beautiful dress find. Next up, we have this gorgeous burgundy dress option with a collar. Now this one is full cotton, so a full natural material, and again, a fantastic price point. This one you can also style in a dressy way or more casual. You could also wear this to the office. On me, this is a true midi length, so it fit me like right by my knee. But if you are shorter than 5'10", this one's gonna fit you right in between your calf, which I think is a perfect length. There is an elastic at that waist, which I always appreciate, something that accentuates my waist. So it does give you a beautiful shaping detail, real front buttons along the front side of it, and a very effortless, easygoing dress in a full natural material, which we always love. Next, I have these two crop short sleeve sweaters. This is the same style in different prints. They also have this in a plain black and blue, so you can get the pattern or the solid. I got them in the pattern because again, we don't really see too much pattern from Walmart, and I like this material because it's like that super soft fuzzy material which just you want to just cuddle up in. Now these are for sure cropped sweaters, so they fit you right above your high-waisted bottoms, if not like literally above your high-waisted jeans. So if you like raise up your hand for some reason, your midriff is going to show. For me, I don't really mind that, but it is definitely a shorter style. So this gray one I thought was just really cute and flattering, and then I picked it up in this like army print, which I think was so fun, especially for the fall season. I'm loving the green tones on this one as well, and you can really see how fuzzy and soft this is. Now I got these both in a size large. They both fit true to size. They are just very small, torsoed, short sweaters. So if you are petite, maybe this would be a really great option for you because it's not going to be too long at all. They fit perfectly on, and they are super warm and cozy. Next up is this sweater dress option in a beautiful warm like chestnut color. Now you guys know how much I love my deep dark espresso browns, but sometimes in my heart I have a soft spot for these warm like chestnut colors because they just scream fall to me. And if you're looking for the perfect fall sweater dress, this one I feel like hits all the boxes. You have a beautiful turtleneck style, and the sleeves on this one go kind of a bit over. It is sleeveless, but it's not super like tank top looking, and it's a shorter length style. I am 5'10", so on me it was a bit shorter, but I didn't feel like it was like too short at all. You can also wear these with tights and like to the knee boots, which would be a really fun look, or you could do flats with this one. This is giving me all of the fall vibes. It does fit true to size, wearing this one in a size large. And our last item, last but not least, we have this gorgeous slip dress style with that lace detail in the front and a cutout on the side. If you saw my fall trends video, I will leave it linked here if you haven't seen it, fall trends. I go over the romanticy lacy trend, and I like how you can find this trend at Walmart with the beautiful lace cutout detail on this. Now I did wear a regular like black bra with it, so the lace detail in the front, you couldn't really see it because my bra was covering it. So if you have a smaller chest and you just do like a pasty, you probably could see the lace detail more. This would be beautiful layered with a nice like black blazer and a heel. You can kind of like dress this up for a night out, evening out, date night. So having fun with that lace detail under the bust. Sizing on this dress, I'm wearing it in a size large. It does fit true to size. And there goes some new Walmart finds in. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Again, I have some different pieces I normally don't do. I had some fun colors, some amazing structured blazers. So I thought there were some really good finds in today's video. As always, everything is linked down below. And if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. That helps me out so much. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel for more fashion and travel videos from me. With that, I hope you guys have a super awesome week. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.